So hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are good. So today we are back with a new editorial, and today's editorial is from Code Forces Global Round 12, and we are discussing problem A of this contest. Problem name is avoid try curve. So what the problem statement saying here is we are given a string A and a substring of A which is B. Okay, and what we need to do here is we need to make our string which has same character as A and in such a way that we cannot make a substring B in any case which is equals to try curve. Okay, so we need to make a string of our we need to make our string by rearranging A characters such that we cannot make try curve by deleting several elements of our string in any case. So let me tell you the logic for this problem, guys. The problem will be simpler to you by the logic. So the logic is, guys, from our string A we can only make B our string B such that if the last character of this string, which is B, is not in first. Okay, if it is not in first, then only we can make our string B. So what we will do here is, my logic is that I will print all the B in string A at the first, and then I will print the rest of the string without B. So let me show you the code for this problem, guys. So my problem is I will print input n, input a string as, and a count which will count the number of B's, and I will count a number of B's in the string. Then I will print the B's, and after that I will print the rest of the string. Okay, I will print the string basically, but not the B's in that. Okay, so this much is the code and the logic for this problem, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this problem and my code as well. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, guys. I will be posting more solutions of this contest, so meet you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.